Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted to do one thing: to draw cartoons, design cool characters and worlds, and tell stories with it. But as I grew up, I realized the process was a lot harder than I expected it to be. I didn't know where to start, what to learn, and who to reach out to. For a very long time, all I was doing was just drawing from references or copying other artists. And I was able to do that pretty well. I was good at rendering things, so I did a lot of these realism drawing. But when I tried to draw something on my own, from my own imagination that is stylized and original, I wasn't able to do that. I mean, I was really bad at it. Can you believe the guy who draws stuff like this also drew this?
What?
So I made a decision. To change all of this. I wanted to learn drawing the right way, right from the fundamentals. The thing was though, I couldn't afford to go to any art school because those things cost me like 100 grand, or buy these super expensive online courses and mentorships back then. So I had to do my own research and figure things out. I was going through endless amounts of YouTube tutorials trying to learn different things from different artists, and none of them stuck with me. I was buying these online courses which I never used or never touched in most cases. And I was mindlessly drawing more and more because that's what I thought the pros did. I was frustrated, I was tired all the time, and nothing worked. Until I started to change a couple of things. I threw all of that away and became very focused. I got very specific with what I wanted to learn. I then started doing deliberate practice. I took consistent action over the years. I took all of these attributes and made it into a challenge, a journey I wanted to take. So I started my first ever 100-day challenge. And I did it. Fast forward a couple of 100-day challenges later, here I am. I'm able to draw my own characters and worlds, illustrate the things that I wanted to draw in whatever styles that I wanted to draw, paint, cartoon characters, whatever, right? It happened. But doing things on my own was a lot of hard work. It was very hard to do. Then I told myself that I will make something in the future where I collect all the knowledge that I have, make it accessible and easier to understand for my own younger self. Something that'll teach me to learn drawing, to be able to build a solid foundation by learning the fundamentals of drawing, to be able to design and draw my own characters and worlds, to draw both stylized and realistic forms of art, also to develop my own style and draw from my own imagination. And that is what prompted me to create Drawing Camp. Drawing Camp is a 100-day program to learn drawing and character design. It does that through 100+ structured lessons, step-by-step exercises, follow along drawing assignments that takes you no more than 20 to 30 minutes per day. Here's how it works. We put ourselves through a 100-day journey, consecutive or spread over many months, and we go through 3 different levels. Level 1 is the foundations. This is where we begin by learning and strengthening our foundations in art by learning the fundamentals of drawing. Without proper foundation, your building crumbles, so you gotta learn the foundations. Level 2 would be design. This is where you're introduced to design principles, especially character design principles, where you learn to draw and design your own characters, and also learn the fundamentals of drawing people, head, and human anatomy the easy way. And then level 3, that would be creation. This is the level where we take the lessons and principles from the previous levels and apply it to the process of creating things. We cover many aspects like environment design, prop design, stylization, and imaginative drawing. And the camp has various chapters within each level, meaning there are different courses within each level, and you'll go through those courses one by one. The program in total has 14 different courses. Yes, 14. And all these 14 different courses in the camp covers various different topics from foundations, perspective drawing, gesture, shading, rendering, character design, drawing people, environment and prop design, stylization, imaginative drawing. Man, the list goes on and on. And each course focuses on one particular topic that you will go through. And remember, I said this is a program, not a course. Well, it is. Because this is a 100-day follow-along program, meaning you just need to show up, press play and follow along, and everything is done. Everything that you need to learn, everything that you need to draw for that day, all of that will be done in 20 to 30 minutes per day. And I will be doing things along with you. It's not like I'll teach you a lesson, I'll tell you, hey, you know what, go and finish all the assignments. No. I'll hold your hand, walk you through the process, make you learn something, and make you take action on the very same day. Because each day consists of a lesson and the exercises that you need to do based on that lesson to impart the knowledge that you've learned. And all of this just takes 20 to 30 minutes to finish. The lesson and the exercise. And you have an extra 10 more minutes. The bonus drawing of the day is there for you to take up to further improve your craft. So think of the camp like this. Have you ever gone through one of those workout DVDs where you press play and do the exercise and all that stuff? It's exactly like that, but for drawing and learning how to draw. Since inception, this program has been attended by over 30,000 students with some really rave reviews. In fact, I'll link all the reviews down below so that you can literally read them, and it's like a book. It's a mini book. So yeah, just warning you. Anyways, I just wanted to design a program that I can give my own beginner self so that that beginner can actually take this thing up and achieve a lot of things what I've achieved a lot quicker and faster than I did. So that is the goal here. And if you feel like you want to do something like that, join with me on this 100-day journey here at Drawing Camp.